In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk add members in Microsoft Teams. Adding multiple users quickly can significantly boost your productivity, especially if you're managing a large team or multiple projects. Microsoft Teams is a vital tool for streamlined communication and collaboration. So let's walk through the process of how you can add several members all at once using the desktop app for Microsoft Teams. Firstly, it's important to mention that while you can add multiple members at once, the desktop app doesn't support a true bulk upload feature like importing from a file. But no worries, there is a straightforward method you can use instead, which involves entering email addresses directly in the app. Let's dive into how it works. Begin by opening your Microsoft Teams desktop application. If you haven't already installed it, you'll need to download the app from Microsoft's website and log in with your credentials. Once you're inside Teams, navigate to the specific team where you want to add new members. Click on More Options, which you'll find as three small dots, the ellipsis, next to your team's name. After you click on that, a drop-down menu will appear. Select the Add Member option from the list. Here's the handy part. In the Member Edition window, you can input multiple email addresses at once. To do this, type each email address and separate them with a semicolon. For example, you would enter them like this: user1@email.com, user2@email.com. This simple method allows Microsoft Teams to interpret and send invitations to each of the listed addresses without having to add each user individually. Now, once you've entered all the emails you want, simply click on the Add button. Teams will process these emails and add each one as a new member to your team. This process is concise and works efficiently for adding small batches of users. It saves time when you're dealing with groups of 5 to 10 people, for example. This method works best if you're adding members to a team that doesn't require automation for large-scale onboarding. It's perfect for smaller teams or for situations where you need to quickly add a few collaborators to an ongoing project. And that's it! You've now learned how to bulk add members to your team using Microsoft Teams' desktop application. By entering multiple emails separated by semicolons, you can quickly populate your teams and keep your collaboration running smoothly. Remember, this tip is an excellent way to handle smaller group additions efficiently and without hassle. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made your team management a little bit easier.